Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jimiag if you've never seen me before, and if you are returning, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. Today I'm going to be doing Korean makeup tutorial. I'm going to be following a Korean makeup tutorial, so that's what I'm doing today. I already started it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. She's starting with her foundation. I don't have Clinique. Yeah, I don't have Clinique, so I'm gonna just use. I'm gonna use my Shein. I was gonna say Maybelline, but for foundation, she only did a little dot. So then I'm gonna do one pump instead of just a little tad little dot. And yeah, so it's just that one little pump. She used a sponge, but I'm gonna use a brush because I feel like sponges take up more product. She didn't say nothing about primer, but I gotta put something on before I put foundation on. I'm going ahead and put my foundation on. Okay, so this is it for my foundation. Don't even like I got nothing on at all. Like at all. And honestly, I didn't even put none on my forehead. It's just all at the bottom because the pump was so small. So let's keep moving on. If she don't do her eyebrows on this video at all, I'm just do my eyebrows at the end. Okay, so she is contouring. Oh, she did like a skinny one on her nose. She said low to make it look rounder. And then she did down here on her nose. Oh God. Then she went over here. Then she went down here. And then she did a little bit on her forehead. She didn't put too much on her forehead. I mean, I don't even think I need this on my forehead because I ain't put no dang foundation up here, but that's all she did for her contour. And then she said to blend a lot, obviously. So because of the fact that I didn't have any foundation on my forehead, and I still went ahead and put that contour shade up there because, you know, I'm looking at the video. I just took my foundation brush with the brush I used for my foundation and put, kind of blend that out with it so that it didn't look so bronze, like tutu bronze, because again, I didn't have any foundation on there, so it wasn't really anything that I needed to sculpt or, you know, bronze, because, you know, my forehead is my forehead color. So okay, so she did do her eyebrows. She do what I do. She used the James Charles eyeshadow palette, but she went into both this black, the black and the color that I use. I'm only gonna use the color that I always use because I don't want them to look darker than I normally have on. And I feel like that's what it would look like if I mix it with that black. You know what? Y'all wanna know something? I didn't even watch how she said to do the eyebrows. I just seen that she started doing them. So if I got too much product on, I'm just brush it out. Okay, so her eyebrows look more straight and don't have too much of an arch. My eyebrows don't grow like that. And I got way more eyebrows than she do. So I need to follow my natural, oh, they do look really dark because I don't have that much foundation on or product on. So I'm gonna end up have to brushing some of this color out anyway because of how dark my eyebrows look. But back to what I was saying. I have more eyebrows than she do. So I have to follow my natural curve. I can't just go straight and then put like a little point. Can't do that. It's something about not cleaning up my brows that's not sitting right with me, so I might end up cleaning them up at the end. But I'm just going to continue to what she's already doing. For her outer eyeshadow, she's using this color right here in the James Charles palette. And for her central shade, which is like the middle of her eye, she's using this color. I hope that shows up on me. She's using this color right here. Okay, for her inner corner, she used the white. Just gonna keep following along. I know she didn't take a really big brush to do it either. So she went back into her outer corner with a darker shade. So with the shade that I used for my eyebrows, same shade. Back up. Excuse the little head at the bottom. Even if she didn't clean her stuff up, I'm definitely gonna be cleaning mine up to make everything look sharper, because right now it don't look sharp when you're using the same brushes. Okay, so she's using this transition shade right here. Used way more eyeshadow than I thought. Okay. She used these two shimmers right here. That's what we about to use. She said do the top and the bottom for an open eye look. I guess to make your eyes look bigger and whiter. I can see why it makes it look a little bigger. Make sure I look a little bigger. Okay, girl. She looked like she did eyeliner as well. I'm not good with eyeliner, but she didn't do a lot, so maybe it won't turn out as bad. Okay, I can't find my eyeliner, so we're not gonna do eyeliner, but we are going to do mascara. Okay, this is so backwards. Now she's going into conceal after all this. Like, she's putting on concealer last. Like, she's doing it everywhere, not just under the eye to clean up. No, she's concealing. She said to put lots of concealer in the center of her face. In the center of your face.
What?
Right, Jace. I didn't even see her put no powder on top. Y'all, it looked like she did some fake little freckles. She didn't say how she did them, so I can't do them. For blush, she went into 3 colors. I'm only gonna go into she went into this one, and then that red one. I'm gonna just go into these 2 red ones. I mean, the orange, the brown, and then the red. I'm only gonna mix those 2 for my blush. Lastly, she went into, I think it was this shade, the dark shade, back into that for her lips. And then she put a gloss on top of it. And that is it. I mean, I don't look like her. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. Maybe she's used to doing this. Maybe I should have followed some more steps, right? I don't know. She didn't even spray her face. I don't know. But this is it for me following the Korean makeup tutorial for brown skin, because she's brown, so I don't really know if she's Korean, but she might just be a darker Asian. But this is it. It's for brown skin. This is me following it. This is my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Try it out if you want to. I'm gonna put her clips in the video, so make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.